This is your mathematics teacher of 4th class. My name is Zaina. So already we are learning about that in the previous class. Let's look back of page number 5 from your textbook. Now we are going to that, see in your textbook page number 6. Page number 6, 10 to 18 bits. So already you know that how you do that additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, fraction forms. So in this class we are going to that. Let's look back part 2 of page number 6. So see the book page number 6, 10th bit. Add. What is it giving us here? Add. Here 3 questions are given. Only I am explaining first one. Remaining 2 are practice in your textbook. So see that 8,813, 1,190. Read with right. And 4,007. What is the symbol giving as? Plus. That means you add that. Plus means sum of that all the given numbers. Here given numbers are 3. Now addition. So this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand. Now we are going to that ones place. Add with only starting with ones place. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. 0 is not countable. So 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So you write in 10. That means you write 0 is in down, 1 is in up. That means second of that number. 10. 0, 1. Now add this one. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. So you write 11. That means you write 1's digit down and 10's digit is up. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So you write 14. 4 ones place, 1 is 10's place. Up. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So this is our answer. You read is in number names 10,410. 10,410. Remaining B and C bits from your textbook you practice in your textbook. Now we are going to that 11th bit. What is that 11th bit giving us? Write in columns and subtract. What is the bit name giving us? Write in columns and subtract. Write in columns and subtract. So what is the given number here? Question is 1087 from 2420. Write in columns and subtract. So see that 1087 from 2420. So you write this number first. 2420. And after you write 1087. What is giving us here? Subtract. Subtract means minus. What is the symbol given as? Minus. Solution. First you write here solution. Here also you write that solution. Now 0, 7. Is it possible? No. So we are borrowing from 2. You write 10. Cut the 0. And here the value is what is that? 1. Why? Because 1 is borrowing to that 1's place. So 1. 1, 8. Is it possible? No. So borrowing from 4. Then you write that 11. What do you write here? 3. Why? Because 4 is 1 is borrowing to that 1, 2, 3. So here 3 is there. 3 minus 0, is it possible? Yes. 2 minus possible? Yes. Now you subtract them. Are you understanding? Are you understood? 10 minus 7. Is it possible? Yes. 11 minus 8. 3 minus 0. 2 minus 1. Now you subtract. 10 minus 7 is 3. 11 minus 8. 9 and 3. 3 minus 0. 3. You observe only rounding numbers here. Don't cut the numbers. Don't see that cut the numbers. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. This is our answer. Subtract. Second one is giving in your textbook. You practice in your notebook. Now we are going to the 12th bit. Once note it. Fill in the blanks. 12th bit, what is that? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So, what is the question giving us? A 6, 3 box, 1 box 3. Subtraction. Symbol is giving us subtraction. 1, 9. Here giving us box. Once observe that what is the symbol giving us here? Minus. Minus means what is that? Subtraction. So, dash minus 3 is equal to 9. Then what can you write here? 9 means don't take the big number. Why? Because we are giving us only 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, see that. Borrowing from 3. That means what you write here, that number is, see that number. What can I write? 2. 2 minus 3. See that. 9 plus 3, what is that? 9 plus 3, 12. So, you are writing only borrowing 1 is there. So, what you write here? 2. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 to 12 is or not? Yes. So, 2 minus 3, 9. Borrowing is going on. So, what is the number is giving here? Writing here 2. 2 minus. How can you write? If you add 1, what can you get here? 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Now here are the 6 minus 1, 5. Why? Because there is not any borrowing. So, this is our answer. Remaining 2 are practice in your textbook. Now we are going to the 13th bit. Note it, children. Now 13th bit. What is the 13th bit? Multiply given. Multiply given means multiplication. So what is the number here? 9,999 into 9 is equal dash. Don't do directly in your textbook. First take your notes, CW notes. Do that in your notes. After you write your answer. 9,999. Solution. What do you write first here? Solution. 999 into 9. 9 nines are. You read with only table 9. 9 nines are, what is that? 81. Roughly you write 81. Here 8 is down. Sorry, 1 is down. 8 is up. 9 nines also 81. 81 plus 8. 81 plus 8, what is that? 89. So you write 89. 9 is down. 8 is up. Again, 9 nines are ones, tens, hundreds. First you product with 9 nines are, next tens, next hundreds. 9 nines are, what is that? 81. 81 plus 8, 89. This is the multiplier of 999 into 9. So, this is the answer of 8,991. Next, children, in your textbook page number 6, 13th bit to 14th bit. Practice in your CW notes. Remaining we are going to. Thank you children. Have a nice day.